Hello. So this video is to show how to do course enrollment for second years and above. So the first thing that you should do is open up your Everytime and make a timetable for next semester. If there are multiple professors of the same class and you don't know which one to take, a hint is not only to look at the ratings but the reviews as well, as many professors have different teaching styles, and the higher rating one does not necessarily guarantee that you like their teaching style. So make sure you read the comments too, not just the ratings. Second thing you do is distribute the mileage that you have into the subjects that you wish to take. If you go to the main portal and click on the course catalog and syllabus, it gives you a list of all the subjects that you could take next semester, just like in Everytime, but the difference is you could check the mileage of the previous semesters and years. If you look back to a subject, and because I'm a third year, I will have to go back and see where the least amount I must put for third year. So last year, the third year that got in with the least amount of mileage is 3, but because I wish to be safe, I want to put 4 for this subject, and so on. This subject, the minimum that I need to put in as a third year is 8, so I will put 9. Last semester is 3 as a third year, so I will put 4. Subject, there is more people that open to spaces than there are participants who actually try to get the course, which means even if you put 1, you could get in. So for this subject, I will be safe and put 2. Now for this subject, I am in slight trouble. Some people put max mileage of this course, which is 18. However, even putting 18 does not guarantee you a spot as a third year, which means I will have to put 18 and hope for the best. Now, if I sum all of this up, the amount that I used is less than 76, which is my max mileage, which means I have more to play around with the mileage that I have. However, the reason why I have so much left around is because all of these are major courses. And if you like to take elective courses, they probably have a higher competition, which means you must use more mileage. So this is the priority list of whether or not you could be accepted to the class. So first of all, number 1, students with higher mileage are given priority. This factor overrides everything else. And next is special education or major specific students to that course get higher priority. Next is if you take 6 or more classes, you get higher priority than if you took less than 6. Next, retakes. If it's your retake of that class, you get lower priority than first-time students. Next is high ratio of total credits earned in comparison to credits earned for graduation. So if you're closer to your graduation in terms of percentage-wise, then you are higher priority. If you took a lot of credits last semester, then you also have higher priority, and if everything else is equal, they sort you randomly. So obviously the most important thing is high mileage. There could be a case where the professor that you would like to take does not have any records of mileage, because for example this professor does not have any mileage records, because if you go to a previous semester, a different person's name pops up even though I wish to take this class this semester. So what you can do is go to the previous years and the current ETA and compare the amount of people that took the class. So this person 98, this person 90. So you could see it's approximately similar. So that means you can make an assumption that you're competing with a similar amount of people. And because many classes in the same amount of seats, you can look at the previous semesters and assume the amount of mileage that you need to put in from here. Here is 18. So if you want to take this class, you need to put 18 mileage.